Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is about my first time use of the Revlon one-step volumizing hair dryer, and you can see it's already organized, and I feel really happy about it. Look at the volume it has created, and to be honest, 10 out of 10. I just took I just dried my hair and didn't style it. I mean, I just used the right techniques, but I didn't spend a lot of time on it. But I do see a lot of volume in my hair, and very well organized and well behaved hair. Whatever sort of haircut you have, this is going to give you a very nice shape of your hair. And look at this. I'm just loving this product and the results I've got with my hair, and highly recommended. So continue, watch the video till the end, because I have completely dried and styled my hair with this product. And let me show you this as well. Oops, this is the new my new best friend, which is going to help me keep my hair very nice and smooth and organized. So stay tuned, keep watching. So let's start how to use this product. This has these buttons here, 0, 1 and 2, and I'm not sure if it has the hot and cold. Oh yeah, it shows the this sign as well. That means it's the cold air, cool air, not cold. So let's start by using this product. First of all, I'm going to section my hair and do it properly, because obviously blow dry is a technique which you actually get the best results when you have your hair in the right direction. So what I have done is, like, I have to take in 2 sections, and let's start. So you have option to go for the cold, or 1 or 2. So I'm going to use the 1 portion. I mean, not going to use very fast, but let's start. Oh my god, this is the final result and I'm totally in love with it. Uh, Honestly speaking, this is the best investment you would make for your hair, and especially in the winters, and especially when you are going out. You can, I mean, it costed me around 11, 12, 13,000 Pakistani rupees. I don't know how much pounds it was, but trust me, if you go once to the parlor for blow dry, it costs you around 3,000 rupees. So it's going to save you a lot of money. You don't have to go to the parlor for blow dry. Just set it here like this, and if you have to get a few more curls, so you can do that with iron. Since it's not going to curl, it's just going to give you a volume and very defined look for your hair, especially your hair cut will be so prominent after using this product. So this is highly recommended, must buy it. And it's not a paid video, but I honestly speaking, I think it was worth waiting for, because I waited so long to get this product, and I feel like I found a very good solution to amazing everyday hair. So thank you so much for watching the video, and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also you can see links to my social in the comments, like my Instagram and my Facebook. And I will see you in my next video. Meanwhile, take good care of yourself, feel good about yourself, and I love you all.